again. Today we're going to make some semolina porridge.
Is it the same way cornmeal porridge is prepared?
Yes, the same way. Oh, the only thing is that semolina porridge is a bit more bland. So you need to do a little bit more to it to make it yummy. Okay, so here in the container I poured a box of almond milk in there. It could be almost any kind of milk. Could be the coconut milk, whatever you want to use. It will just make it a little bit more, a little bit creamier and nicer. So here is my semolina I'm putting in. Oh, also I've put a piece of cinnamon stick in there.
Why?
To make it a little bit more interesting. And there are many ways to prepare your porridges, but I find this one is easier, or is the easiest, because you just mix it up in there and you add hot water as you go, and that prevents the lumps. So throw some semolina in. I've used about a cup and a half, and I'm cooking for 4 people, and it should be enough. So now I'm going to pour my hot water in. And I'm going to leave it there for now and see how thick it is before I pour any more in. You have to stir constantly if you don't want any lumps. If you want lumps, just don't stir, or don't stir as much. So this is how the porridge, I've been stirring for a while. That's all I've been doing for the last about 5 minutes, and it's coming together now, but it looks like it probably will be a bit, I don't know, I'll see if it's a bit thick and then tip a little bit more water in there if I need to. But this is what it looks like. All creamy, no lumps. Semolina porridge can be very creamy and nice, but you have to put the flavor in there. Cornmeal porridge, you might be able to get away with a little bit less flavor. Oats porridge is the same, but the semolina is just, will just taste almost like flour if you don't spice it up. I think the consistency is fine. So I'm going to leave this now to cook for about 20-25 minutes, and then I'm going to sweeten. So we're going to sweeten now. This has been cooking for a while. It's ready to go. I'm going to put some nutmeg in. It's going to be about a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Right, do you want to finish off the spicing up?
Okay.
Right, what are we putting in next?
A little bit of mixed spice. Add a pinch of salt. A little bit of vanilla extract.
That one was finished, so she's putting a little bit more from another bottle.
And some almond extract. And now it's time to sweeten with some condensed milk. together.
So our semolina porridge is now ready, creamy and tasty. I think I read somewhere that this semolina porridge is the creamy wheat, or creamy wheat they call it in Jamaica. Well, I think I read the box and it says it's semolina that's in there. So there we go, nice semolina porridge.
Thanks for watching.